We'll guide you through how to remove the Google search bar from the Android home screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason, you no longer want it, so what we can do is remove and delete it. To get started, let's just go and unlock our device here. And I'm just going to show you I currently have it. As you can see, here it is, so you no longer want it. Some people argue that it is convenient because you can simply go and tap on it and get taken straight to the search. But perhaps you don't like using it as you're then using the Google app and you prefer using Chrome, or there's another reason. Ultimately, it does go and take up space you may want to go and use, and you can always just go and open up the app directly, Chrome or the Google app, and then you can go and start browsing in there. So I do go and understand why people may not want it. So we're going to guide you through how you can remove and delete it. Make sure it's this full guide. It's much easier you probably think, but still. So what you can do, first of all, if it is in the wrong position, is you can consider repositioning it. So you can go and tap and hold it, and then you can go and drag it to where you want it. But if you just want to straight up go and remove it, then what you need to do is go and find it, and you need to go and tap and hold your finger on the search. So all you need to do is go and tap and hold it like so. Then you'll go and get this pop-up. And as you can see at the top here, you're going to say Google, and you've got the option for remove. So all you want to do is go and tap on remove like so. And that's it. You've now gone and removed and deleted it. It's now gone. If you wanted to, you can go and replace it with something else. For example, you go and tap and hold some blank space on your screen. Then you'll go and see this go and slide up, and you want to go to the bottom and you can find widgets and you can go and use a different widget. For example, let's say you want to use Chrome, you can go and expand Chrome. Then you can go down here and you could go and change it to a Chrome search. So I can click on it and press add. And instead, we're now using the Chrome search. Just tap off of it. And you can tap and hold and drag where you want it to be. You may prefer using this because it will then go and open up Chrome. Whereas instead, I'll just go and drag that across. Where instead, if we had that Google search bar, it would go and open up the Google app, where this is the Chrome search bar. So that may be what you're looking for. You can then tap on it and Chrome's going to go and open up, and you can go and make your search for whatever you're searching for.